Coach, 3 pointed that, your chain rolling now. 3 winners that your chain rolling now.
Yeah, it was a difficult start. The first game I thought we never played badly. But we conceded far too many goals, made too many errors defensively. Senior players went back, had some discussion. Second game, some issues outside of the field. But we're back now.
In terms of motivation, what takes from you to get the boys rolling again?
Well, these guys are self-motivated, and those who would have watched this team last year would have seen that. Once it's a fight, they're up for it. And they will fight until the end. And so I believe that we will come back and we will advance.
One love win, some of the game.
Well, it was a scrappy game. But when you play at them beats, you will like that. The field is small, and it don't allow us to play our natural passing game. But it's the points that matter. And the 3 points we got today are very vital in terms of going forward.
All the best for your season.
Come on, thanks, no problem.
Bless up,
All right.